Assalamu alaikum my friends, my name is Mohammed Subhan and today I am going to show you how to create a password protected folder. So first of all, create a new folder. I will name it as example. Then go inside it and create new text document. Open it and go to your browser and search this link. I will give this link in the description and will also provide this text. So copy this text to end, copy, now paste it here. Now erase this, enter password, password goes here and write here what you want. For example, I write 123. Now save it as locket.bat, locket.bat. Save. See, now open this. Now you provide a private folder is created. Now you can paste here what you want. For example, I create a document and again open it. It says, are you sure you want to lock the folder? I will say yes. Why? See, now it's locked. Now if you want again to open it, then go to lock it and what your password was, 123 for example, and enter. Now see, it's unlocked. Now if you like my video, then like and share it and subscribe to my channel. For now, bye and Allah Hafiz.